Hi, my name is Daniel, and I'm going to show you how to buy the CumRocket token Cummies. If you're new to cryptocurrency, I got you covered there. We'll start on Coinbase or Uphold, and if you're a little bit more advanced, skip to about halfway through the video where we jump onto Metamask and start dealing with Binance Smart Chain. First, let's go a little bit about the project. Um, they describe themselves as an upcoming deflationary DeFi token. And what it is an 18 plus NFT partnered with the Degenerate Marketplace. It started with anime girls but quickly expanded to real models. These NFTs can be still images, simple animations, or full video. They can be purchased with the CumRocket token Cummies. That's what you're investing in. CumRocket Crypto looks like it's going to become the Onlyfans of the cryptocurrency world, only better because it provides models with 85% of the revenue from their NFT sales, and then 15% goes back into marketing. One thing that I and many investors like is this feature right here, instant staking by holding and burning. So what this means, every time a transaction is performed, 5% gets redistributed, 2.5% of it goes back to investors, you and I, so our Cummies balance goes up, and then 2.5% of it gets burnt, and goes away. What that means for you and I is that our value potentially goes up because now Cummies is more scarce. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to buy it. Here we go. All right, so what I've done here is I've created some burner accounts for myself just so I can keep myself anonymous. At least the best I can. I've already told you my name. We're going to start with buying cryptocurrency for your first time on Coinbase, and then we're going to move all the way up through transferring to KuCoin, and then we're going to be sending to our Binance Smart Chain extension, and eventually to Metamask so we can buy on Pancakeswap. I know that sounds complicated, but it really isn't. Just follow through with me. This is going to be completely live, raw, unedited, whatever you want to call it. So I might make mistakes and I might get a little frustrated, but that's part of the game. First things first, you're going to want to know about some links here. Useful links right up at the top is BSC scan. That's where you can get the contract address. KuCoin. That's where you can see the charts. And CoinMarketCap. You can also see the charts there. And you also have this buy now button up here. Normally this would work great, but right now Pancakeswap is having some issues as it's going through maintenance. At the time of this recording, we are going from Pancakeswap V1 to V2, and we have to buy on V1 unfortunately for the time being. So I'll get into it. Later on, this buy now button should work great for you, but we're going to have some additional steps as I will detail later in the video. So first things first, we need to get money from an exchange of your choice that you can deposit fiat from into KuCoin. That's our ultimate goal, is to get to KuCoin. So two popular ones here in the US is Coinbase and Uphold. So we're going to use those as a demonstration. What we want to do is we want to send money from here or here. This is KuCoin. Now I've already put 150 bucks, $151 of USDT into KuCoin, but we're going to add more, and then we're going to do the steps necessary to buy Cummies. Just follow along with me. So first things first, Coinbase. If you're using Coinbase, the most efficient way to send money to and from is using the cryptocurrency called Algorand. The way you do that is you're going to go to, I already have some Algorand on here, but I'll show you real quick. You would go to the prices. You would search for Algorand. You would hit trade. You would hit convert or buy. I mean, you could just buy it with your bank. Or if you have Bitcoin or something else on Coinbase, you will convert it to Algorand. All right. So once you've done that, you should have a balance of Algorand. In my case, I have, let's see here, $11.31. So we're going to send that to KuCoin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to send and receive. Send. I want to send all of my Algorand, and I want to send to KuCoin. This would require you to already have a KuCoin account set up. So if you haven't done so yet, go set up a KuCoin account. In KuCoin, under Assets, you have a main account and a trading account. We're going to work with our main account for now, and eventually we're going to move that money to the trading account. So starting with main, what I want to do is I want to deposit Algorand. That's what I'm sending from Coinbase. I'm going to go to deposit here. I'm going to type in algo. Main account, that is correct. I understand. And so now I have a deposit address for Algorand. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to Coinbase. I'm going to paste that here. And I don't care if you have this address. These are all burner accounts. I really don't care. And I'm going to hit continue. Sending 1124 in algo. Yes, I want to do that, and send. Then I have to enter a two-step verification code, unfortunately, which means I'm going to just quickly pull this browser window out because that's one thing I don't want to show you all. Type that in. If you're not familiar with this, the authenticator is a Google Authenticator. You can download it on your phone, and that's going to keep your account secure. I recommend doing that for everything. Okay, I just hit confirm. So I'm going to drag this back over where we can see it. Okay. So they say that takes about 10 minutes. In my experience, it's significantly. But eventually, we're going to see in our main account some Algorand. We'll go back here in a second so we can actually see it being performed. But in the meantime, let me show you the other way. Don't use Coinbase, then you might be using Uphold. Let's go to that. So on Uphold, I have a 3662 in USDT. The best way to send money from Uphold to KuCoin is using XRP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy XRP with my USDT, or if I could use my checking account too. And then I'm going to take all my USDT and I'm going to send it to the XRP ledger. So you have to scroll down to cryptocurrency networks. You may not see this right away, so you might have to hit show more, but if you keep searching through, because it's not always in alphabetical order, you will find XRP ledger network. And that's how we're going to send our money to KuCoin. So I'm going to hit preview withdrawal. And then it's going to ask me for an XRP address and destination tag. Let me show you how you get those. So back over to KuCoin. Oh, hey, look, there's my algo. So back on KuCoin, I'm going to go to deposit again. I'm going to select XRP. Yes, I understand. And I'm going to take this XRP address back over to Uphold, paste it there. And this part's important. You cannot forget the destination tag when dealing with XRP. So my destination tag, is 18770729945. Just want to verify that gets transferred over correctly when I paste. Sure does. Hit confirm. Now, once again, I have to deal with an authenticator app, so I'm going to take this off screen for a second. Pardon me 1 second. A lot of these. I just hit confirm off screen. I'll bring it back over in a moment. Okay, so as you can see, my total balance is now 0 and sent over to KuCoin, we hope. We're going to find out in a minute. XRP is pretty fast, as is Algorand, so we should see that momentarily. While we're waiting for that, what we're going to do is start making some purchases of BNB. So BNB is the main token that you need for purchasing CUMMIES. However, it's not as simple as buying it and sending it over. We're going to go over that. The first thing I'm going to do in KuCoin, hey, there's my XRP. I was waiting for you. First thing I'm going to do in KuCoin is take all this money here, my algo, my XRP, and my USDT, and I am going to transfer it to my trading account. I have to do this. You take it all. And you take it all. Now I'm ready to buy BNB. That's the Binance coin. So I will go over to trade, bot trading. And now I need to buy BNB using these coins. First thing I'm going to do is buy BNB with my USDT. Actually, no. First, we're going to sell our XRP and our algo for USDT, and then we're going to buy BNB. So I'm going to go up here to the top, and I'm going to type in under USD XRP. We have an XRP and USDT trading pair. Click it. And go down here to the bottom right where it says buy and sell. We are going to do a market order. That means we're going to sell it for exactly the price it is right now. Sell it all. All right. And then I'm going to do the same thing for algo. And again, you're going to do one of these things. You're not going to end up doing both of them. Either you sent from Coinbase and you used algo, or you sent from Uphold and used XRP. Whatever the case, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to get USD tether for the crypto that we sent over. So we're going to go once again to market order, 100% of our algo. We're going to sell it. Okay. So now we have USDT, and we can verify that by going to assets. Right now we have $198, and if I were to click it, trading account, I would see that I have $198 of USDT. Let's go trade it. You can go back to spot, or you can just hit trade right here. No, you can't. Back to spot. And then we're going to type in BNB. We're almost there, guys. So BNB. We want to buy BNB using USDT. We don't care about the current price. We're just going to go for it. So you're going to hit 100% here. At market, 100%. Spending all $198 of my USDT here. And I'm buying the Binance coin BNB. Okay, next step. We need to get our BNB off of this exchange. The problem is that in order to buy CUMMIES, you need Binance Smart Chain. And what we just bought is not the Smart Chain version. It's just regular Binance Chain. But there's a trick to this, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to go over to our assets just to make sure that we are ready to send it when needed. Go to our trading accounts. There's all of our BNB. We're going to transfer it back into our main accounts. All of it. Pardon me. Now, I apologize for the quick change in video resolution and whatnot. I had to choose a different technique for recording this so that way you could see my extensions at the same time as my browser. It is what it is, guys. I'm not a professional here. So what we're going to do is go over to the the Binance Chain extension, and you can do this just by Google searching Binance Chain Wallet, and that should pull up in Google Chrome. You can also do the same thing for Mozilla Firefox. In this case, I'm going to do add to Chrome. Yes, looks like I've doxed myself with my email address. Hopefully I can edit that out. Add the extension, And again, guys, this is a burner wallet. If you want to steal it from me, go right ahead. There'll be nothing in it by the time you see this video. So the Binance Chain wallet has been added to Chrome. I'm going to open it. If it disappears on you, just click this little extensions bit right here and scroll on down to Binance Chain. So what I'm going to do now is go to I do not own a wallet. And I'm going to create a new wallet. So I'm just going to use a password I have. Pardon me. Again, I have to do some weird stuff to make this video work out. Forgive me. I'll hit continue. And then I'm going to have a seed phrase. You need to back this up. This is so important, guys. Even though you may not use this very often, you lose access to it, you're going to be very upset because your money's gone. Write down your seed phrase. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it over to a notepad. And at that point, you should print it out. You should print this out and put it in your safe. All right. Now that I've done that, I'm going to continue. And it wants to know some of the secret words, make sure that I did indeed print them out. So I'm just going to tell it words here. Okay, so now I've created a Binance Smart Chain Network wallet. What I need to do though is use the Binance chain. There's a difference and you need to be aware of this. So what I'm going to do is go up to the top here where it says Binance Smart Chain Network. Click it and I'm going to choose Binance Chain Network. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to send Binance from KuCoin to this extension. So I'll be clicking receive here and that'll get me an address. I copy that. I'm going to return to KuCoin. And then what I'm going to do is go over to my main account where I've stored my Binance coin. I'm going to hit withdraw. And I need to put in that address that I just copied over from the Binance Smart Chain. Got that. That is not it. Binance Chain Network, receive. Make sure this copies. Copy. And then paste. And now I should be able to take all of my Binance coin and send it to my Binance Smart Chain wallet. So I'm going to take this off screen real quick and pause the video while I put in my trading password, email verification code, and 2FA code. It's a hassle, but you got to go through it. So pardon me one moment. And I'm back. So the transaction, I believe, was successful. Let's go find out. We're going to go back to our Binance Smart Chain extension. And we should, there it is, received some Binance token. Next thing we're going to do is send this Binance token to Binance Smart Chain. How we do it. We're going to go back up here to this Binance Chain Network, switch back over to the Binance Smart Chain Network, and click receive. That'll give us that address again. Copy it. Then go back to the Binance Chain Network and click send. Paste that address in. The whole thing. Click send. It's confirming that I'm doing a cross-chain transfer. That's what I want. It's going to charge me a little bit, but it's no big deal. Send. Now I have on the Binance Smart Chain Network, or at least soon, have that Binance coin. There it is. And, normally you lose money during this process, but it looks like I'm doing okay. I think Binance coin is going up while I'm doing these transactions, and that's why it's not hurting so bad. So anyways, next thing we're going to do is send this money over to Metamask. We're almost done, guys. I promise. We're almost done. All right, so go over to Metamask. You can Google search it, look for the Metamask extension, and add it to Chrome. Okay. Now we have to create a wallet. If you already have a Metamask wallet, you already know what to do. But if you don't, create a wallet. It's going to make a seed phrase. Here, let me give it a password real quick. Now we're going to get the seed phrase. Again, this is what you need to hack me, but I'm not going to be keeping this wallet, so you go right ahead. So what you want to do is you want to take this seed phrase here. Again, it's very important. If you lose this, your money is gone. I cannot stress this enough. You need to save your seed phrase. Print it out. Put it in a safe. Do not save it on your computer. Do not email it to yourself. Print it out and put it into a safe. Okay? It's very important. And it wants me to go ahead and confirm that, so I'll just do that real quick. Okay? So now I can finally buy CUMMIES. I'm going to show you how we do that. We now have a MetaMask wallet. In order to receive the money that we just put into your Binance Smart Chain, we need to configure MetaMask to support the Binance Smart Chain. How we do it? If you were to Google search Binance Smart Chain and MetaMask, you would be greeted with this information right here. And you can go through that tutorial if you want. I'm just going to cut straight to it. This is the information we're going to need. Maybe copy it into a notepad or something. Go back to your MetaMask. And we're going to add a custom RPC. If you're using your phone, you're going to have to go to Settings, Networks, and then add a network. When you hit Custom RPC, we're going to copy that information that we just saw. So, Smart Chain with this URL with an ID of 56 and a symbol of BNB and this block explorer right here. Save. And now we have added the Smart Chain network to our MetaMask. Go back. Go to the top here where it says account and copy that address to your clipboard. That is your public address. You are then going to go back to the Binance Smart Chain extension wallets and you are going to send all of your BNB to that wallet. Now, if this is your first time doing this, you'll notice that I've been doing my max amount every single time. This is a bad practice if you have never done this before. You should send small test amounts just to make sure you haven't screwed up. So let's go ahead and send that over. Verify that the address that I am sending to is the address that I copied. Checking a notepad to make sure of that. And it is. So now I can send it. It's confirming that it has found a second Smart Chain address. That's a good sign. Now I can send. So this takes a few seconds. There it is. If this takes more than a few seconds, you probably did something wrong. So now we have our 190 more or less worth of Binance coin in our MetaMask. Congratulations, guys. You are ready to finally buy CUMMIES coin. Here's how we do it. So you are going to go to Pancakeswap. Open a new tab for that. Okay. And what you're going to do is connect your wallet, your Metamask wallet, Pancakeswap. Make sure you select the correct account. If you have multiple accounts on Metamask, just double check. Another thing that you want to double check when you are connecting, because this might fail on you, is in Metamask, make sure that you have this selected to Smart Chain. If it is on Ethereum or Kovan or whatever else, this will fail and your wallet won't connect. Go up to the icon, click Smart Chain, and everything should connect. We are ready to buy CUMMIES. What we're going to do, go to Trade, and Exchange. Now, this is a temporary solution, but right now, today, on April 24th, you are going to need to go to version 1 of Pancakeswap by clicking this button right here. And then we're going to take your Binance coin, however much you have. You may have to reconnect your wallet after switching to V1 like I just did. Reconnect my wallet. Yes, yes, do the thing. Thank you. Take all my BNB. There it is, took it a second. All my BNB. Oh, that's right. Pancakeswap's gonna want to take a little bit. That's fine. So I'll take all my BNB and I want to buy CUMMIES. Here's how I'm going to do that. Hit select currency, and you're going to paste the contract address for CUMMIES into this area right here. Here's how we get it. Remember on the CumRocket site, we had some useful links. We're going to go to BSC scan. And that gives us the contract address. Copy it. Go back to Pancakeswap. Paste it. Give it a few seconds. Do it again. There we are. And now it found CUMMIES. Again, it's going under maintenance, guys, so this may happen to you. Hopefully when V2 is finished, this will be a little less painful. Finally, this is the important part. You need to go up to this little settings area right here, click it, and change the slippage to 6%. Never mind that. You can keep the rest of this by default. Verify that your slippage is 6%. All right? Guys, we're ready. I'm going to take all that Binance coin that I just bought, sent from Coinbase or Uphold to KuCoin, to Smart Chain extension, and finally to my Metamask. I'm going to send through Pancakeswap and purchase the CUMMIES. Here we go. Buy, confirm. My Metamask will ask me to confirm. I will tell it that's okay. And in just a few seconds, I'll have my CUMMIES. If I want to view the transaction, I can do so, and I will. It went from pending to success really fast. And if I go look in my Metamask, I will soon have CUMMIES. Now, there is one last thing that I need to do in order to see the CUMMIES. I need to add the token of CUMMIES, my Metamask. You can do that simply by pasting the contract address that we got from BSC scan before in here. It'll fill in automatically. Add the token. And as you can see, I have 8,701 CUMMIES. That number is a little bit less than what I thought I was buying, but The price fluctuates as we're doing this, and that's to be expected. That's it, guys. You now own Cummies. Congratulations. I hope this video was helpful. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you're wondering how I found Cummies way before everyone else, you can follow me on Facebook. I have a group called FUD Around and Find Out, and we also have a YouTube channel. I would highly recommend following me along and subscribing to the channel. See you there.